Hi, if you are having challenges with the UIPO, JKL, and M typing as numeric, this is the solution to that. This is what you get when the cap lock is on. Then the UIPO, JKL, and M, they are numeric. A solution to this is just go to keyboard, online keyboard. First turn off the number lock, then go to keyboard, open it. Then once it's open, click on the numeric, then try and see how it types. It's now okay, it's now better. That is the easiest solution. Another thing, maybe you are trying to log in and it has the same problem. This is what you do. It has the same problem. When the number lock is on, the JKL is numeric. What you can do, go to easy to access.
Make your computer easier to use.
Then
Windows will read and
online screen. Then make sure the number lock is okay. Then you can type the JKL. Then check how they behave. Yeah, perfect. That's the solution. Thank you for watching.